Hello, happy Thursday. It is time for another unboxing. I just got this by Sophie box in the mail today, and the theme this time is Be Healthy. I have no idea what's inside. By Sophie, if you're not familiar, is an influencer box with lots of different goodies, usually from lesser known Korean beauty brands. And Sophie does an amazing job putting these boxes together. I've gotten several of them, and every single time they're just awesome. So let's see. Every box has one of these booklets in it. Inside is information about every product, why Sophie chose it, and how to use it. I'm not going to look at it right now because I don't want any spoilers. Let me skin Pink Berry Brightening Clay Mask. Perfect! I love clay masks. In the past, I thought they dried my skin out because I used to leave them on, just like many directions say, and just let them dry all the way until they're basically dust, and that would really irritate my skin. And now I know that you don't have to do that. They work just fine at drawing out impurities and doing things like that without drying. So I no longer let them dry, and now clay masks are my favorite thing. I am so excited about this. I'm from Mugwort Spot Gel. I'm From is one of my absolutely favorite brands, and I love the I'm From wash off mask. It's amazing for redness. I also just recently got the I'm From Mugwort Essence, which I'm currently testing, and this is the spot treatment. So far, everything I've tried from I'm From I loved, especially their Mugwort line. So I'm really excited about this. And of course, conveniently, I actually have a couple spots right now that I can test this on. Not on camera, of course. Oh, how cool! Look at that. That is a cool little applicator. Okay. I don't have water nearby, so I'm not going to be slathering this on my hands. But this is amazing. I see Logically Skin. I first got introduced to this brand in a by Sophie box, and at that time it was completely new to me, and now I really like it, so I'm excited. Let's see. AC Target Cream. Oh, Acne and Blemish Spot Cream. Okay, perfect. I kind of sense a theme here. Purifying. We have a clay mask and that I'm From gel, and this is a Target cream. I wonder what this is. Logically Skin has interesting components. Some of them they've developed, so I will be reading more about that. What is this? Jennyhouse Truffle Water Essence. I love essences so much, and if you are confused about what the difference is between a toner and an essence and a serum and an ampoule and where all that goes in a routine, check out my video on YouTube. It's youtube.com/KBeautyHobbit. Oh, this is glass. No, is it? No, it's plastic. Never mind. This is so heavy and nice. I have never heard of this brand, and I got distracted there, but what I was saying is I have a video on YouTube about all the steps of Korean beauty routine and kind of how to tell where each product goes. This is why I love Sophie's boxes so much. I've been very heavily into Korean skincare for close to 4 years now, and I would say I'm a little bit hard to surprise, but almost never there's anything in these boxes that I've had before. I think there was one time when I was familiar with something or have had something, but usually it's completely brand new things to me, which is amazing. Everyday's Essential Seas Cognac Jelly. Oh, this is a, oh, how cool. Zero sugar. This is a snack. And cognac is a type of potato. Yeah, it's the same cognac, I think, that like cognac sponges are made from. A different flavor of this was in another box, in the very first box that I've received, so be curious to see. I saw Sophie has the cola one, so she must like it to include it in the box. Let Me Skin Honey Puree Nourishing Clay Mask. Very cool. Like I said, I love clay masks. There's so much stuff this time. I'm really curious about that thing right there, but I'm going to save that for last. Okay, Cosrx Propolis Light Ampoule. Nice. I love Propolis products because they're just so soothing for the skin. If you don't know what Propolis is, it is a bee product. Let's see what that looks like. I don't want to destroy the packaging too much because I usually take pictures of everything, just so I have pictures nice for reviews. Look how beautiful that is. Yes, I can definitely sense the theme of kind of like calming, soothing, and acne care in this box, which is great. I don't have particularly acne prone skin, but I do get occasional breakouts, and it is stressful right now for various reasons, including the fact that it's year end at work because we have a different fiscal year, and when you're in accounting and it's year end, it is a stressful time. Cold press avocado nourishing scalp pack with banana. Awesome. A trial size of this, a little resealable pouch, was included in one other box that I've had by Sophie, and I really liked it. And if I remember right, this one actually smells very strongly like banana, but I actually don't mind it. And these packs are made specifically for the scalp, which is really cool because most of the hair treatments that I use, I do not apply to my roots or the scalp because I have kind of oily roots and scalp and I don't want anything on it. But these ones are specifically made to be used on the scalp and actually work really well. I had a couple different kinds of this. So there's another drink. Essential Seas Collagen Green Grape. 10 calories and 0 sugar. I wonder what the sweetener in this is. Sucralose. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I'm not going to edit my reaction out. This is authentic, you guys. Oh my, down there, after hair removal sheet mask. Oh, there are 5 of them. How exciting. Okay. Oh, look, you have visuals. Wait a second, does it wrap into the back? Wow. Okay. Oh, there's a cut. Okay, fantastic. Is this going to get censored? Let's see, there's 5 in there. Oh, I cannot wait to review this. This is just amazing. Awesome. Good job, Sophie. Okay. It reminds me of those sheet masks for the butt, but this is even better. This takes the cake. Oh, this is nice and heavy. Wow. I wonder if this is kind of like a micellar water. Acne cleanser. Logically Skin Acne Cleanser with salicylic acid. Great. That's really good for blackheads and acne. Okay, I had my little cutter here. Yes. I'm an experienced unboxer now. Probably not so much, but in my first couple of videos I didn't have anything to open these with and struggled. Oh no, it's not a micellar water. It's a foaming cleanser. I kind of assumed it was a water just because it's so heavy and big. 10 ounces. Maybe it's a self-foaming one? It feels very liquid in there. We'll see. I'm intrigued. So far, I have nothing but good things to say about Logically Skin, so whenever I get a chance to try more of their products, very exciting. And last but not least, this looks awesome. Oh, look, it's like a little gift bag. Double Sensation Lip Duo by Keep Cool. The last box I had quite a few different Keep Cool products, and you've probably seen some of my first impressions on Instagram. Oh, wow. Oh, this packaging is on point. Look at that. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to open it without breaking it. Okay, just pull it off. Okay, awesome. Sorry, I'm very excited. I've been wanting to try the gradient lip look for ages. Like ever since Laneige lip balms. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. I'll have to play with that. I am definitely not experienced at all in using this, but that iconic Korean look. This one is Moonlight Red. And the second one is, okay, a little different. There we go. And the color is, focus, no? Ash Rose. Sorry, let's see this one. Oh, I like that one. Looks like the other color on it is very light, and I think the darker one goes toward the middle of your lips, right? If somebody is experienced in that gradient lip look, please let me know. I'll probably fail a few times before I get it down, but I'm so excited about these. And how cute was the packaging? Oh, so cute. Oh, look at that. It even says the names on here. Moonlight Red and Ash Rose. Oh, how cute. Glamorously sparkling two-tone lip balm. Double texture natural gradation. Okay, perfect. That is it for the box. As you can see, it is beyond generous. Lots of stuff. A little preview of all the different reviews that are coming to all of my channels. The blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, and some of it makes it to my YouTube, youtube.com/KBeautyHobbit. And here's a look inside of the booklet, now that I know what's in the box. So there's some information about why she selected things, and information on the products, which is amazing because not everything always has instructions in English. I actually keep these booklets and I refer to them sometimes when I do my final reviews, like beyond the first impression ones. How adorable. Randomly sent out one of the two sets. Okay, so it looks like there's a different set with Moonlight Red and Juicy Coral. I'm excited that I got the Ash Rose. I like that one. It's kind of a more muted of the two. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are staying healthy and as stress-free as you can manage. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.